The xTool Mini Heat Press HPM-100 is a compact and portable device, weighing only 0.77 pounds, making it perfect for crafting on the go. Equipped with a wireless control pod, this mini heat press allows for quick and precise temperature adjustments in just 2 seconds, ensuring efficient and accurate heat transfers. With its ability to reach high temperatures of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in only 2 minutes, this heat press provides fast heating, ideal for detailed projects. The inclusion of 4 customizable presets streamlines the crafting process, allowing users to switch between different heat settings effortlessly, saving time and enhancing productivity. Safety is a priority with the xTool Mini Heat Press, featuring an automatic shut-off after 11 minutes of inactivity, overheat protection, and a flame-retardant design. This versatile heat press is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, offering efficient heating and portability for creating personalized t-shirts, hats, shoes, and more.